What's up, guys? Welcome back and Merry Christmas. I'm sorry it's been a little bit since I posted last, but we've been a little busy. I just picked up this FMS FCX24 K5 Blazer Way Cool McHugh mod from FairRC, and I 100% recommend FairRC because they blew this thing out of the water. The stock FMS FCX24 Blazer was decent, but had some issues, and FairRC just took this to the max and made it 100 times better. And so I took off the cap on the back and put the roll cage and light bar that was included, and threw the spare tire in the back too. And this thing is amazing. If you guys want to see some run videos of this, stay tuned and I will show you. Bye.